And there's your beautiful baby.
Any day now.
Really? You're eating Doritos? He's eating Doritos on my ultrasound. Do you see what I have to do?
I know.
Give me that.
Billy, use the cleaner.
Oh. Touchdown.
Yeah, it only works with Doritos.
Why only Doritos?
You ask too many questions, Billy.
Doritos. The 5-second rule has changed.
Dude, you brought one bag of Doritos. There's gonna be like 5 other guys in there.
So?
So now we're gonna have to share.
Tom told everyone to bring their own bag.
Yeah, well, I drove you here, so really, this is kind of like my bag.
Hey!
D doesn't have a bag.
Allergies, man.